Today is April 5, 2:37 p.m. and we saw some unusual option activity on AMC, so we wanted to let everybody know. It is trading at $4, right at that price, whole number. And keep in mind, on April 3 to April 4, just yesterday, it had dropped about 23%. So what does this mean for this stock? Is it going to continue to go down, or has it hit bottom, right? Because we are near this yearly low at the 3.77 price. And so that was back all the way in January 6th. So we are near that level. So let's take a look at the unusual options that we saw to see, are we going to bounce or are we going to fall? Okay, so this is the tape. And you'll see here that 11:23 and also 12:07, there is these close to 30,000 of these April 6, which expires just tomorrow. Okay, these are buying the 10 calls and selling the 10 puts, just one day, right? What does this mean? Well, we will take a look at it. So this is April 6, expires just tomorrow, all the way down to the 10 strikes here. So you'll see that we are also in this position where there's these 30,000 contracts. And then right here on the put side, okay, and here's our position as well. So essentially it's selling the 10 puts and then buying the 10 calls. Okay, and so we can analyze that together, and you'll see the trade here is actually a bullish bet that AMC will go up tomorrow. So as this price range, which is on the x-axis, goes up, it will profit as it goes up. This is the line. It's above the zero because that's the profit loss on the y-axis. So just one day trade. Keep in mind, you also need 1,000 buying power to put on this trade, because you're essentially saying that you're willing to sell or own 100 shares of AMC at $10. Okay, and so a quick calculation of that is, $10, 100 shares is 1,000, right? And so there was 30,000 of these contracts, right? So that's $30 million of AMC. A large institution would have that amount of money to put on this kind of a trade. So they're very bullish for AMC going up tomorrow. And if it sort of stays at $4, they will also not be at a loss, because there's no theta decay on this. The way they set up this trade, you'll see here the theta is actually positive. And so we are also in this same position. Another position we also saw on the unusual options on AMC was this 89,000 contracts here. Actually, it's not showing the other leg, but we did see it earlier. Sometimes the tape doesn't show everything, but you'll see it on the options chain here on April 28, 23 days away. Here is the contracts. It was selling the 3 puts. There was a total of 85,000 of these, and then buying the 2 strike puts. You'll see here. So that's also bullish. So that it will be above $3 by expiration date in 23 days. So we know that these are opening orders because the volume is greater than the open interest. So that's also gives us that indication. And so we are also in these position as well. So both of these trades are all bullish. So it looks like based on the unusual options, AMC will be coming up. We don't know how far up, but it is basically telling us that this is the bottom that we're at and that there is not much concern for it to drop further down. So if you found value in this video, please give us a like and subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified whenever we see these unusual options. Thank you and good luck.